Tyler from Traction Mafia, and I'm going to be putting on some quick clickers so we can do quick adjustments on the clutch on the fly out on the field. So when you're getting into some lighter fluffy snow, you want a little more higher RPM so you can change it and adjust it however you would like. It's about a 15 to 30 minute process in that area. Depends on how fast you work. Alright, so I'm going to explain the numbers on this clutch here. So stock for SkiDoo is 3 on the clutch marker here, and you can see it's got they're stamped and raised numbers, so they're very decisive. You can't misunderstand what they're saying. So the whole goal is to be able to just take this Allen wrench out in the field with you, and you just push it in and twist it to whatever number you would like it to be. So it's as simple as that. So let's get to this other one here. So all we're doing is pulling the nut off the back of this. We're not going to pull the whole bolt out or anything. It's got a washer on the inside of the bolt that will fall down into the clutch housing. Then you're going to have problems. You'll have to pull the whole clutch housing off and everything. So you're just going to want to take it here and thread it on here. So when you're adjusting it, you thread it on just a little bit, and then you'll take your Allen tool here, push it in, and see how much it takes to get it to turn. And you might have to adjust it back a little bit or not. It's got a set screw in the end here, so it helps. So yeah, it's a little too tight, so I'm gonna have to take the set screw out just a little bit, and we'll push it in, and there we go. So we'll take this back out a couple of threads, put the set screw back in, just kind of snug it for now until you're done with the, there, that's perfect. So all you gotta do is push it in and change the number, and it'll click back in. So now what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna take your 13mm wrench here, put it on here, and then tighten that set screw nice and tight. Then we'll move on to the next one. So then what we'll do is we'll just go back through real quick and check each one, make sure it's where we want it to be real quick before we're done. Yeah, that's good. Yep, and there we go. Alright guys, that's it. It was about a 20 to 30 minute process. And it's ready to go. We're ready to ride and hit the trail. So happy trailing out there, and be safe.